Alright, let's talk about the dust collector that I'm going to be using in my shop. I was at a reclaimed materials place in Baltimore called Second Chance, and they had this ragged looking dust collector, which you can see here taken apart. And it was only $100. And it looked like it might not have sold because it was three-phase, but lucky for me, I have three-phase power in my garage. So I snapped it up and figured I'd recondition it. It's made by JG Blower Company, old American, I guess they still make dust collectors. It's amazing what a new coat of paint will do to an old machine, and the cost was right. And it's a 1 horsepower Leeson motor, three-phase. So here I'm putting the first coat of paint on all the different parts, and now the second coat of paint. I need to get some sort of trash can that this plate I'm painting right now will sit on top of. It's sealed to that. It's hooked up to a switch inside the shed, so all I'll need to do is flip the switch and it'll turn the dust collector on in that shed. And the shed was built more or less with this in mind. And what my plan is to just have the blower blow directly out into the inside of the shed with no filter. And if the cyclone works really well, that won't be a big problem, but I might have to put some sort of catch bag on it. So, thanks for watching.